determine the trig ratios of angle A. So we can see that sine A, okay, sine A is basically opposite over hypotenuse. This is our starting point, and then we can see that the opposite side is the y length, okay. It's y over r, and then we can find cos of this angle, and we know that cos is what? It's adjacent over hypotenuse, right? And then we can see that the adjacent side is the x, and then the hypotenuse side is the r, okay. And then what about tan of angle A? Now tan of angle A is opposite over adjacent. Now the opposite side is the y, and then the adjacent side is the x, okay. So these are the definitions, or this is how we define our trig ratios when it comes to the Cartesian plane. And obviously from here we can be able to determine the reciprocals of these, from what we have established, okay. So we see that sine is y over r, therefore cosec will be the inverse, or the opposite of what we have, so it will be r over y, and then sec of A will be the inverse as well, which will be r over x, and then cot of angle A will be x over y. So these are the reciprocal trig ratios of the fundamental trig ratios that we have, okay. So this is how we deal with this thing of trig ratios when we are working with the Cartesian plane, okay. Okay, now whilst we are still in the spirit of trig ratios, it is very important for me to introduce these very fundamental trig.
Hey there, please note that this was just a portion of the actual session. You can find the complete session on our YouTube channel. I have attached the link to the channel on the comment section. Go check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us on all social media platforms. See you on the next